Using a Walmart gift card is a convenient way to make purchases at Walmart stores or online. To get started, first ensure you have a Walmart gift card with a balance. You can check the balance by visiting the Walmart website or by calling the customer service number on the back of the card. To use your Walmart gift card in store, simply present it to the cashier at checkout. Let them know you would like to use the gift card as payment or partial payment for your purchase. The cashier will swipe the card and apply the balance to your purchase. If your purchase exceeds the gift card balance, you can pay the remaining amount with another payment method. To use your Walmart gift card online, start by adding items to your cart on the Walmart website. When you are ready to check out, click on the payment options and select gift card. Enter the gift card number and PIN, which can be found on the back of the card. The gift card balance will be applied to your purchase. It is also possible to use your Walmart gift card on the Walmart app. Simply add items to your cart and proceed to checkout. Select gift card as your payment method and enter the gift card number and PIN. To get the most out of your Walmart gift card, make sure to keep track of your balance and use it before it expires. You can also combine your gift card with other discounts and promotions to maximize your savings. Additionally, consider using your gift card to purchase items that are on sale or discounted to stretch your balance further. Overall, using a Walmart gift card is a simple and convenient way to make purchases at Walmart. By following these steps and tips, you can get the most out of your gift card and enjoy a seamless shopping experience.